Guys, I'm in Vegas for EDC. Apologies in advance if you can hear the music outside. It is blasting. We literally haven't slept at all because it's so loud. We are here with a big group for a little birthday party. I didn't film last night because I literally landed, went straight to dinner, and then straight to the festival. I actually really love my outfit for tonight, so I want the makeup to be really bomb. I'm gonna do a little bit of a colorful eye and then add some jewels, kind of like ZARA LARSSON. I feel like you guys barely see me do like fun, colorful eye looks, so I'm excited about this. I'm gonna start with the Armani eye tint as my base, just in the inner corners. I just laid down a white eyeshadow on the inner corners, and now I'm going over the inner corner here with a baby pink shadow. Looks so white on camera, but in person it looks more pink. There's a little bit of blue in my top, so I'm gonna put blue in the center. A little bit of like an ombre effect. I went ahead and added some mascara. I'm gonna add a layer of a spray because my skin has been really dry here. I'm gonna do my Il Makiage foundation. Stuff does not budge on me at all. I wore it all night last night and my makeup still looked good at the end of the night. Contour is going to be Rare Beauty. Just applying this on the cheeks, forehead, and contouring the nose. If you guys have followed me for a while, then you know that I actually lived here in Vegas post-divorce. And I will be honest, coming back here is a little bit weird. But the trip has been fun so far. We're actually leaving tomorrow. We're only doing the festival 2 days. We just don't want to be away from Quinn for very long, and Spencer needs to go back to work. So for blush, I'm using a really light pink. This is the Armani blush in shade 53. Also gonna go in with a little bit of Road Piggy. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my Tower 28 concealer just under the eyes on the inner corners here. Now I'm just going to set with my One Size translucent powder. You guys, I used to be obsessed with this Kylie Cosmetics powder blush. This is shade Pink Power. I honestly don't even know if they make it anymore. It's probably expired, but it's a really pretty like baby matte pink. I'm going to kind of blend that up into the under eye. Then I'm highlighting with my pink Dior combo. I'm starting with Road Twist. Now Makeup by Mario Almond. The Jouer lip oil. This has been my go-to lately. This is shade Belle. Such a pretty pink. Alright guys, here is the final look. I had to do the jewels off camera. And we are off to the festival. Bye!